Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can change the video speed in the Microsoft Clipchamp video editor. So let us get started. So head over to the video project with the video clip on your timeline. Let me insert another one from the video library here, move it on your timeline. Next, select the given video clip. You may also move to play it, for instance, to see the result of it. And then what you want to do is navigate to the speed tab here on the right hand side. And the default speed will of course be set to 1. But you may adjust this, for example, to 0.5 to slow down the video clip, or to 2 to increase or double the video speed. And then click into the preview or play button here to see if you like the given video speed now or to adjust it even more here. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.